Rachel Tepper-Paley, and I live in a 1,049 square foot apartment in Prospect Heights, Brooklyn. I would probably describe my style as restrained color bomb. It was a big challenge when we first moved in. There's not a single closet in the entire apartment. I knew immediately that I wanted to put up a whole wall of shelves.
So the cookbook wall is my favorite part of the apartment. It's my husband's least favorite part because he thinks that I hold on to too many things. I don't know what he's talking about.
The process of going from closet to closetless was intense. My husband has a 1 piece in, 2 pieces out rule. And then, you know, all the other storage solutions, it's become a fun little game that we play.
This is the bedroom. We have many storage solutions at work here. We have this big IKEA armoire, which holds all of our clothes. We have super, super narrow shelves, 8 inches wide, and the bed is a storage bed. And then the other thing, really important, is lots of hooks. Yeah, I just didn't want anything on my floor. If the floor is clear, your mind is clear.
We have parts of our family pretty much everywhere. Whether it's like some of the furniture, some of the art, we really wanted to have our families reflected in this space.
In our old place, we had shelves similar to these that we put up ourselves, but we didn't do a good job. Everything that was on it shattered, including a set of ceramic plates that my very talented mother-in-law made for my husband. So for his birthday, I gathered up all the shards that I could and I took them to a local artist who practices a Japanese technique called kintsugi. The idea is that you put pieces of broken pottery back together and you fill in the gaps with gold. Even though it's broken, it's more beautiful that way than were it whole.
I love cooking, I love entertaining, and I love that this apartment helps facilitate that.
This is my pegboard. It's inspired by Julia Child, the beautiful blue color. I'm a big proponent of displaying your tools and sort of using them as art.
I really count on home being the place that gives you the energy to go back out there tomorrow, you know? So that means a lot of home-cooked meals, a lot of chilling on the couch, and I love it.